In this video, I will show you how to clear Telegram cache on Android and free up storage space. The easiest way is to clear Telegram's cache directly from the app. Open Telegram, then go to Settings, select Data and Storage, then tap Storage Uses. Here, tap Clear Cache to remove temporary files stored on your device. Don't worry, your media is still saved in Telegram's cloud and can be downloaded again anytime. You can also prevent Telegram from using too much storage in the future. In the Storage Usage section, adjust the Keep Media settings to choose how long files stay on your device. You can also set a total size limit, and Telegram will automatically remove older cached files when the limit is reached. If you only want to clear media from a specific chat, open the chat, tap the three dots in the top right corner and choose Clear History. You can also clear Telegram's cache from Android settings. Open your phone settings, go to Apps, and find Telegram from the list. Then tap Storage and Cache and choose Clear Cache. But be careful not to tap Clear Storage or Clear Data unless you want to log out of your account. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials.